Mammoth versus polar bear. Polar bear circles its massive opponent, waiting for the right moment. Mammoth stomps the ground, shaking the battlefield. Polar bear dashes in, slashing Mammoth's leg with its claws. Mammoth trumpets in pain and counters with a trunk slam. Polar bear growls, lunges forward, and bites down on Mammoth's thick hide. Mammoth, enraged, swings its tusks, sending the bear tumbling. Polar bear struggles to get up, its breath heavy. Mammoth charges forward and delivers a final, earth-shaking stomp. Polar bear lies motionless, weakly, accepting its fate.
Mammoth win.